Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Inshallah ta'ala, today we will analyze the 18th ayah of Surah Mulk. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Now this ayah begins with the word walaqad. Now by now you all are familiar with this word. You know how to read this word. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. So what will you do? You will circle your lips for the letter Waw and you will give it one count. Now for the lam, you will give it one count. Keep it light. Now moving on to the qaf. Qaf is heavy letter without air. Okay. So join your qaf with the dal and read your dal with qalqala. Walaqad. Now moving on to this word. كذب الذين. What will you do? You will join your kaf with the dal. Run your dal, which is sakin here in this dal mushaddad. كذب. Okay, and for the dal, be careful for the makhraj. The tip of your tongue should touch the edges of the front teeth. Now moving on to the ba. The ba will join with the lam. كَذَّبَ الَّذِينَ. Okay, do not bounce your lam sakina, which is hidden in this lam mushaddad. And then for the lam with the fatha, give it one count. And then moving on to the dal, give it two counts. Take care of the makhraj of dal. Your noon should be given one count. Now moving on to this part. Now here, what is the rule, sisters? You know this rule. Noon is followed by a qaf. So this is ikhfa. That means you will hide your noon over here. Okay, and this is heavy ikhfa. Your gunna should be heavy. Min qablihim. Do not circle your lips, sisters, okay? Because the next letter is not a waw, the next letter is a qaf. You are just raising the back part of your tongue while you're doing your gunna, okay? So it should be myanqa, okay, without circling of the lips. Then your ba should be with qalqala, qablihim, qablihim, okay? I just give a pause there to explain you, sisters, not give a pause in between, in the middle of the word, okay? Min qablihim. Your lam should be one count. Your ha should join with the mim. And do not bounce your mim. Now, this word, fa kayfa. Fa should be given one count. Your lean over here, it should be complete. Kay, not ka. Kayfa. Kana. Kaf should be given two counts because it is with alif mad. Noon should be given just one count because it is just with a fatha. Kana. Nakir. Noon should be light over here with one count, and then the ra at the end should be light, inshallah ta'ala. So practice well with the sheikh, inshallah. Okay. Jazakumullahu khair. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.